Hey everyone, so today I want to show you how to make an eggless mug Nutella cake. Here's my ingredient that you will need is 3 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, a pinch of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, I have it in my bowl, 4 tablespoons of milk, regular milk, and 1 tablespoon of Nutella. So what you want to do now is in your bowl, go ahead and mix your butter. Make sure it's soft. You want to go ahead and put everything in here, like your condensed milk and your Nutella, and give it a good whisk. Okay, so I finished mixing my batter and I put everything in here, and this is the consistency you want it. Over here I have a mug. I'm gonna spray it with Bake Easy non-stick spray. Just a quick spray inside. And you want to pour everything. You want to pour everything in here in the mug. So I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 2 minutes, depending on the microwave watt. So okay, so my Nutella cake is finished. If you want to know if it's done, go ahead and insert a knife. If it come out clean, that means it's finished. So I'm going to take some of my Nutella and just like dazzle it all over. You want to give it a taste test. So I'm going to do this right here. You can see that it's ready cooked. It's already cooked. Give it a taste test. It's really delicious. If you like this video, click your thumbs up, and thank you for watching.